All right, I know you enjoy an unboxing, and I am back from Las Vegas, and as a vendor, as an exhibitor, I did not get to shop nearly as much as I wanted to, but I am going to show you a few of the fun things that I came home with that I think is going to be really fun. So the first is the bronze aventurine from Bullseye. They were handing out samples, so I just have a little square of this. I'm going to have to go to my favorite Bullseye supplier, which locally for me is Art Glass City in Louisville, Texas, but I'll have to get some from them when they have it in stock. But this is really cool, and this is a really bad photo, but Bullseye had an example of what this can look like when it's capped with different transparent glass as well, so you can kind of see here. So I'm going to make up my own little sample set. I think it's going to be really neat, but that's one thing I got from Bullseye. And also from Bullseye, I got some of the peacock blue frit, and I'm pretty excited that this is available in frit now. I was kind of making my own when I needed peacock, but this is going to be nice now to have. I happened to pick up some medium from them. Then, I haven't used it yet, but I'm super excited. This is called the Nippies, and it's from Christine at Glow Glass, www.glow.glass. And let's see if I can cut this open here. This is just going to make it easier. You can certainly use it for nipping up Murrini rods and such, but having it welded to this base with an extra long handle gives you better leverage. I'm probably shaking the table too much to chop, and I'm looking forward to using it to chop up scrap that I've fired that's like 6mm or maybe even thicker. That gets so hard to chop up after a while, and so I think this is going to do a good job with that. And then also from Christine, I got lots of little samples of glow glass. It's too bright in here. I have a black light, but it's way too bright. But just some different rods. All of this glass glows in the dark, and this is all, of course, COE 90 for me. But there's some different like sample packs here that she had. This is stringer, azure blue stringer that glows. Here's just more, awesome little sample packs to chop up and have a lot of fun with. And then this is cool. Some cane, but this is a little bit thinner cane that I think will be really neat. So I don't know exactly how I'm going to use all this in projects, but it glows like crazy. And I happen to be right next to their booth. I was their neighbor, their booth neighbor. They were very good neighbors, by the way. Yeah, a little play pack, that's what she calls it. So glow.glass, www.glow.glass. And I think it's super cool. So I'm just looking forward to playing with those. So I was just unpacking some stuff and thought I would show you a couple of goodies. There was so much there, and I could have spent so much money, but honestly, I just didn't even have time to get out and get about because I was so busy in my own booth. So thank you for those of you who came, and thanks for your support and coming to introduce yourself. Thought you might just enjoy seeing this little unboxing, if you will, and stay tuned to the channel to see how I start to use some of these things. Catch you later. Bye-bye.